Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in your Mirage G4. First, ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work. You'll need to safely drain the old coolant from both the radiator and the reservoir. After draining, it's crucial to flush the entire cooling system thoroughly with distilled water to remove any remaining old fluid or contaminants. Finally, we'll refill the system with the correct type and amount of new coolant, ensuring proper engine cooling. Before you begin, always park your Mirage G4 on a level surface and allow the engine to cool completely for safety. Locate and open the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom, and also remove the reservoir cap to allow the old fluid to empty completely. Once drained, use a garden hose to flush the system. Run water through until it comes out clear, indicating all old coolant and debris are gone. This step is vital for a clean system. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Speaking of keeping things cool and contained, quick recommendation. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof food containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, close the radiator drain plug securely. Slowly begin adding the new, recommended coolant mixture directly into the radiator. Once filled, start your engine and turn the heater to its highest setting. This helps circulate the new coolant throughout the entire system. As the engine warms, gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to help release any trapped air bubbles. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.